The nam khao is a different version of your typical fried rice. It's a lot crunchier.
It's a really interesting dish, really, really good.
We're gonna make the rice ball for the nam khao.
Cool jasmine rice.
So we're gonna put red curry paste,
Okay.
sugar, onions that we chopped already, grated coconut.
Not sweetened or anything.
Nope. Chicken base soup right here, salt, oyster sauce.
That little drop.
That's all we need. Have 1 egg here.
And form it into balls. And then what
Yes.
are we gonna do with the balls?
We're gonna deep fry them for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
Now we're gonna break them up.
Yeah, we're gonna make like a salad. And we're gonna add some pork skin, been boiled, slice.
Didn't see that coming.
This is the Lao Nam. It's the cured pork, fermented.
I love
cured
fermented pork.
A little bit of sugar here, and then lime juice, cilantro, and a little bit peanuts. Now the scallion, put them all together, and we're ready to put them in a plate for you. Top it off with a little bit of ginger, mint. We're going to make it like a lettuce wrap.
Ah,
It's a long process.
a lot going on in there. I just got a little bit hit of ginger. I got a little bit of the red chili, a little bit of the curry. Now I just got some of the salty pork. I got the sweetness of the pork skin. The whole while, I'm getting a crunchy rice. This is Texture City.
That's our nam khao.
You are awesome.
Nam khao.
You get the sweet, the sour, the little spice from the chili.
You had anything like that before?
No, I haven't. It's very delicious.
Papaya?
Green papaya.
That's one of my favorites.
I've never had anything so good, and I get it every time I come here.
If you have never had green papaya salad, do me a favor. Try to come down to Crushcraft, but if you can't, go find any Thai restaurant that has it and enjoy it. Let me see it, brother.
We peel it first.
Get all the green off.
Just going around. I like to do this.
Nice and thin.
Now we're gonna make a papaya salad. Garlic.
Okay?
We're gonna have to smash that.
It's like the culinary version of whack-a-mole.
Thai chili.
Green beans gonna get muddled?
Yes. Fresh papaya in there. Palm sugar and fish sauce.
Palm sugar and fish sauce.
Fresh lime juice. Then you smash it. A tomato.
Okay?
And then
And crushed roasted peanuts?
put it in a bowl
Oh.
right here.
Okay. I could eat this by a truckload. The sugar, the fish sauce, the lime juice, the Thai chili, the garlic, all muddled together with that fantastic texture of the green papaya that just soaks it up. It's like the best cold noodle salad you've ever had. This will change your life. Don't you think?
Yes, sir.
Got a pork banh mi. Let's go, guys.
Banh mi is one of my favorites. The richness of that pate, cut with a little bit of the pickled veg, down to the richness of the head cheese.
I've eaten a lot of banh mi, but I don't know that I've ever seen head cheese.
This is like probably the favorite in my family.
So take all the leftover parts of the pig that you have,
Yeah.
cook them down, throw them in a sandwich with some vinegary vegetables.
Exactly.
Magic.
So first, start off with some pig face.
That's great.
We boil it off, take it out, slice into small pieces. We're gonna drop the pig face
Drop
in.
it like it's
Hot. Got pork neck, some ham as well.
okay.
Black pepper, garlic, pink salt, sugar.
So cook this down for how long?
30 minutes.
Releases all the collagen and the juices and the fats.
Yep.
Then you'll put it into a mold,
Yep.
let it cool.
Yep. It's all nice and gelatinous here. Just slice it really thin.
I think I'm having the knee.
Now we're ready to build our sandwich.
All right, buddy.
Start off with a 7-inch baguette. Open it up and actually hollow out a little bit of the core.
Okay.
Garlic mayo, house-made pate.
Chicken liver.
Yep. We're gonna go with our head cheese next. Barbecue pork.
All kinds of flavor.
And then the jalua, which is like a Vietnamese bologna. Our pickled carrots and daikon. Got some cucumbers, jalapenos, and cilantro to top it off.
Gorgeous sandwich, man. Great bread. I mean, there's just so many different components. The balance is great.
Thank you.
As you chew it, you just get, oh, there it is. Oh, now I got some sour. Now I got some heat. Now I got a little jalapeno. Now I got the freshness of the cucumber. It just keeps trumping itself as you enjoy it.
Exactly.
I dig it.
Thank you.
The inside is so spongy, it really absorbs the flavor of the meat.
The pickled daikons and carrots gives it a good crunch.
I've never had head cheese before. I like it.
Dragon eggs in the window.
The dragon eggs are great.
Pork, shrimp, and crab meatball wrapped in a wonton wrapper. Then they're either fried or steamed.
What are we gonna make?
Dragon eggs.
Oh, let's start it. So we have trimmed pork loin.
We're gonna get it nice and smooth.
Looks like meat cotton candy. You get a little spoon in there and just have it curl up, drunk the bow. We're not quite pureed, but we're not far from it. Now we do the bay shrimp.
Yes. Okay.
The ground pork.
Then we're going to
Now the
add
swimps.
crab.
Ooh, a little crab action.
Yeah. Sugar.
Okay, lots of it.
Oyster sauce.
Very nice.
This is Gold Mountain seasoning.
Golden Mountain seasoning. It had like a little smokiness to it, had
Caramel.
a little caramel to it, a little fortified soy kind of. Okay.
Almost a little fish sauce, too.
Yeah, but not as dark as like the soy sauce.
It's delicious.
Yes. Then we're gonna put in some garlic, pepper, some eggs. We're gonna add in a little oil. Okay, now we're gonna stuff the wontons. Get a nice heaping spoonful, and we're gonna put them in there, and you're gonna wrap them up.
Now,
That's
are we gonna steam these or fry these?
both kinds. We do
Well,
steam.
which one do you like?
Talk to me.
I do half and half.
Wow.
We're gonna steam them first.
How long do they steam?
15 minutes. As soon as they come out of the steamer, we're gonna drop them in the fryer.
Do they come with a special sauce or
Yes,
anything?
and we're gonna make the sauce. Soy sauce, vinegar,
Just regular white vinegar.
Worcestershire.
Oh.
Okay, sugar. Put some fire on there.
As soon as our dragon
sauce
is ready, we'll enjoy our dragon
eggs.
So they're steamed ones.
Grab the fried ones.
That looks like a big fried chicken wing. I'm getting excited right there. Look at that thing.
Pour the dragon egg sauce on top.
Big rings of jalapeno.
A little cilantro on top. And toasted garlic.
Nice. You going deep fried, brother?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'm going steamed.
You're going steamed.
Look at whole round.
And that sauce, nice vinegar balance, wicked good. Those are killer. Yeah.
Don't worry about this being my show or anything. Dynamite.
Yeah.
Not too spicy, not too salty.
Told you this place was legit.
These are really good. It excites the palate. It really does.
Vietnamese crepe up.
Today I had the crepe. It's really good. The filling was vegetables and there was shrimp in there.
Kind of eat it like a fresh roll.
This is a Vietnamese crepe, and it's kind of crunchy. My mouth is watering right now, even talking about it. So, what are we making first, chef?
Nước mắm chấm.
The traditional sauce.
Sugar, water, fish sauce, vinegar.
Pureed garlic and water, and then sambal.
And then you just mix it.
We don't heat it up?
No.
Delicious. Now we make the crepe.
Yes, water, rice flour.
Rice flour.
Turmeric and curry powder.
So a little bit of the color.
Coconut cream. The pan have to be very hot.
Really hot. And just a little vegetable oil.
Coat the whole pan.
So kind of like a crepe, swirling it around, letting all the moisture cook out.
Put the cabbage in, carrots, chicken, white tiger shrimp.
Beautiful.
Okay.
There we go.
Some of the...
My mouth is watering right now. I'm like almost drowning.
Lettuce.
Some of the cilantro.
Mint.
Take a piece of this off of here and roll it up in there.
Yeah.
There's some times to be jealous of what I do. This is one of those times right now. This is my jam right here. It's so delicious with the crunchy vegetables, the crispiness of the crepe. The pancake is so light but crunchy.
Thank you.
Thank you. With that sauce, it's not super sweet. It's tangy, a little bit of spice to it. Did you bottle the sauce?
Yes, that's me right there.
Look at that picture. Huh?